Hello children, welcome to VDS Learning School. Today's topic is the Olympic Games. Children, what are Olympic Games? Well, Olympic Games are the world greatest sporting competition. Almost many countries come together to compete in the games. So, the main objective or the aim of the Olympic Games is to promote sports, culture, and education with the view of building a better world. Children, these Olympic Games was first started in Greece in the year 776 BC. So, it is played in ancient Greece in honor of the Greek god Zeus and Hera. Okay, so this game eventually became the most famous sporting festival in ancient Greek. Children, this game was held every 4 years during the religious festival that honored the Greek god Zeus. Okay, so during this game, only men were allowed to compete in the Olympic Games and women were not allowed to participate in the Olympic Games. So the games which was being included in the ancient Olympic Games were like athletics, sports, horse and chariot racing, compact sports and wrestling. So these were the main sports which were being played during the ancient Olympic Games. Children, what happened was the Greece was being conquered by the Roman Empire. Okay, when Greece was being conquered, the Olympic Games started to decline its importance. Okay, so Olympic Games started to lose its importance. And only in the 19th century, the Olympic Games were revived by a French educator called as Baron Pierre de Coubertin. So this person only revived the Olympic game because he dedicated himself in the promotion of the physical education. So once he visited the ancient Olympic site in Greece. Okay, and then he thought that Olympic games are so good, why should we not continue it again? So he was the person who brought Olympic games into life again. Okay, so he was the person who revived the Olympic Games in the 19th century. Then he founded the International Olympic Committee. And children, in the year 1896, the first modern Olympic Games was held in Athens. This is a place in Greece. Okay, so the modern Olympic Games was started. Okay, and when this game was started, it brought together 14 nations and 280 participants competing in 43 sporting events. So children, today's modern Olympic Games features summer and winter sports competitions in which thousands of athletes all over the world participate. Children, these games are held in different nations once in every 4 years. Okay, children. So, this is all about the ancient Olympic Games. So, moving on to the organization and the flag. As I already told you that the French educator called Baron Pierre de Coubertin invented the International Olympic Committee. Okay, he founded this International Olympic Committee. So it governs the modern Olympic Games. Okay, and as I told you, it was being founded in the year 1894. and the headquarters of this International Olympic Committee are in Lausanne. That is a place in Switzerland. Okay, children. So the IOC or the International Olympic Committee decides on the sports to be included in the Olympics. Okay, so they decides which are the sports which needs to be included in the Olympics, and also it chooses the cities that will host the game. Okay, as I told you, every 4 year once only Olympic Games are being conducted. So all the authority is with the IOC, that is International Olympic Committee. They decide in which city they has to host the game. So in addition to the International Olympic Committee, each country has its own National Olympic Committee also. Okay, children, and then Pierre de Coubertin also designed the Olympic flag. Okay, so this flag is the interlocking rings, colored blue, red, black, green and yellow on a white background. Please look at the picture over here. So these rings represented the 5 continents. Those are North and South America, Asia, Africa, Europe and Australia, which are united by the Olympics. So each color represents the color present in every national flag. So that's all about the organization and flag. Children, moving on to the next one is the Olympic ceremonies. So we will see how are the ceremonies being conducted from day 1 in the Olympic Games. Children, Olympic Games begins with an opening ceremony. So once it's an opening ceremony is happening, it's a big celebration, isn't it? And it involves hundreds of people. Okay, so each country team enters the Olympic stadium dressed in its official uniform. So each country team will come inside the stadium with their uniform, and the athletes carrying the team's national flag leads the group. Okay, so during the ceremony, the Olympic flag is being raised. Okay, and then the Olympic flame is also being lit. So this Olympic flames burns until the games are over. Okay, moving on to the next one is the children, after every competition there will be a prize distribution, isn't it? So the winners are being awarded with the medals. That is, the first, second and the third place is being given. So the first place, the person who receives the first place will get the gold medal, and the second place the person will get the silver medal, and the third place the winner is being awarded with the bronze medal. Okay, so while giving away the prizes, the flag of the winners countries are raised while the national anthem of the gold medal winner is also being played. Okay, so as they tell, all good things must come to an end, isn't it? So during the closing ceremony takes place after the final event. Okay, so during the closing ceremony, what happens is the Olympic flame is being put out and the Olympic flag is being lowered. Okay, so the whole of these Olympic ceremonies and events of the games last for 16 days. Okay, children, moving on to the next one is the summer games. Children, as I told you that this Olympic games, we have got two games. One is the summer sports and the winter sports. Okay, so the summer games. So summer Olympic games are also known as the Games of the Olympiad and are a major international multi-sport event normally held once every 4 years. Okay, So the first Summer Olympic Games was being held in the year 1896 at Athens, that is a place in Greece. Children, the summer sports includes basketball, archery, gymnastics, swimming, athletics, badminton, basketball, baseball, beach, volleyball, boxing, football, swimming, tennis, wrestling, weightlifting, shooting, karate, road cycling. So all these games are being included in the summer games. Moving on to the winter games. So winter games are those which are being practiced on the snow and ice. Okay. And the first winter game was held in 1924 in Chamonix. That is a place in France. So the winter games include alpine skiing, biathlon, cross-country skiing, curling, figure skating, freestyle skiing, ice hockey, speed skating, snowboarding, ski jumping, skeleton, short track speed skating, Nordic combined, luge. So these are all the winter games. So children, that's all about the Olympic Games. Hope you have understood. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.